Tahir, where are you going? Turn this way.
Here, let's go this way. Come on.
Where are you going, Tahir?
Push. That's a good boy. Push. Come on.
Where are you going?
Turn around and look at your mama.
Wave to mommy.
Forward. Push forward. Did he put that on his neck himself?
I helped him. I got waters in the cooler.
Oh, you forgot the sandwiches though.
Oh,
Did you get the coleslaw?
yeah. Watch out, watch out. Don't hit mommy's car. Turn around, go back on the sidewalk.
Did you get a sippy cup?
No, I did not.
All right. Maybe we take the Coke out and put that in the bag.
Yeah.